Lucky number 7, section 2468. It starts with a pair of flowers, and then we have in our first color, which means our first suit, a Kong of 2s, and then in the second color, so our second suit, we have a Kong of dragons. Third color, meaning third suit, we have a Kong of 2s again. But notice we have these 3 have different colors, so that means they're in different suits. Flowers don't have a suit, so we don't worry about that. In the parentheses, it tells me any 3 suits. We already knew that, but this is some good information. It tells me like Kongs, any even numbers. So I have more options with this particular hand because of that. So in these like Kongs, they're 2s, but if I'm happen to have some 4s in 2 different suits, or I have 6s or 8s in 2 different suits, I can swap those, which is so nice. It gives me a lot of other possibilities of hands. So, but here's an example of it, the way it's written. So I have my flowers, my 2s, these are in dots, my green dragons, which is a BAM dragon, and then I have my 2s in my cracks. But I could also, just sticking with the same suit, if I wanted, I could do 4s, I could do 6s, or I could do 8s. All right, so here's an example. If I switched them out for 4s, just as long as they match, it doesn't matter as long as they're an even and they match. Now, if I had red dragons, I would have to switch out this suit and make it a BAM of, or four BAMs, if I can say that right. Okay, so these are Kongs. I can switch these out if I wanted. So say, actually, let's just say I couldn't find any of the dragons. Somebody else was saving them. I could even switch those out, all of them, for jokers if I actually drew that many, or I could also use jokers here. But I cannot use jokers in my pair of flowers because it is a pair. They have to be a Pung, Kong, or greater. All right, so hopefully this helps. And if you have any questions or comments, or would like to show me some of the hands that you've done with this particular one, I would love to see it. So have a wonderful, blessed day.